Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we will be learning how to use drag and drop on iPhone. It is easy to do so. Here I'll show you by dragging and dropping photos from library to notes. Go to your photos library and long press on the photo you want to drag. It will zoom a bit and then drag the photo. It will get smaller. Remember, do not leave the finger until you reach to the destination you want to drop the photo. If you want to add more photos, use your another finger and then tap on the photos you want to select. Then after you're done, do not leave the finger off the screen and then open Notepad. Then after you reach to the note you want to drop your photos to, leave the finger, then it's done. Now you can see the image copied on your note. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.